Foods that prevent cancer. An anti-cancer diet is an essential method for lowering your cancer risk. To maintain a healthy weight, the American Cancer Society suggests eating at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day and eating the correct quantity of food. Furthermore, studies are discovering that some cancer-preventive foods may be an essential element of an anti-cancer diet. Consume a variety of fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals found in fruits and vegetables are considered to lower the incidence of some cancers. Eating more plant-based foods also leaves less room for sugary things. Snacking on fruits and vegetables instead of processed or sugary meals is a healthier option. Green tea should be consumed throughout the day. Green tea is a potent antioxidant that may play an important role in cancer prevention. Green tea, a cancer-fighting beverage, may help to prevent cancers of the liver, breast, pancreas, lungs, esophagus, and skin. 1. Include garlic in your cancer-fighting diet. Garlic has been shown to be a cancer-fighting food in studies. Several big studies have revealed that those who eat more garlic had a lower risk of developing cancer, particularly cancers of the esophagus, stomach, and colon. Ingredients in the pungent bulbs may prevent cancer-causing agents from operating or cancer cells from growing in your body. Experts aren't sure how much garlic you should eat to prevent cancer, but a clove a day might help. 2. Berries are foods that fight cancer. Berries are difficult to top both a pleasant treat and cancer-fighting meal. Berries are high in antioxidants, which means they help stop a natural process in the body that produces free radicals, which can harm your cells. Berries include compounds that may aid in the prevention of cancer growth and spread. Pick up a handful of blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, or any fruit from this huge family of therapeutic fruits you choose as part of your anti-cancer diet. You should eat to prevent cancer, but a clove a day might help. 3. Tomatoes may protect men from prostate cancer. Tomatoes have been shown to protect men against prostate cancer in several studies. The luscious red berry can protect your cell's DNA from damage that might cause cancer. Tomatoes have a very high quantity of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Because processed tomato meals like sauce may help your body absorb lycopene better, whole wheat spaghetti with marinara sauce might be a tasty way to receive your dosage of cancer-fighting nutrients. 4. Include cruciferous vegetables in your cancer prevention diet. Cruciferous vegetables, which include broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, may be particularly beneficial in the battle against cancer. Components in these vegetables have been discovered to protect you from free radicals, which damage the DNA of your cells. They may also protect you from cancer-causing substances, decrease tumor development, and promote cancer cell death. They're a pleasant and nutritious complement to your cancer-fighting diet. 5. Green tea can help you prevent cancer. Catechins are antioxidants found in the leaves of the tea plant, Camellia sinensis, which may help prevent cancer in a variety of ways, including preventing free radicals from harming cells. Tea catechins have been shown in lab experiments to shrink tumors and slow tumor cell proliferation. 6. Whole grains are at the forefront of cancer-fighting foods. Whole grains, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research, include various components that may reduce your cancer risk, such as fiber and antioxidants. Eating more whole grains may reduce the risk of colon cancer, according to a big research including almost 500,000 individuals, making them a top item in the category of cancer-fighting foods. Whole grains include oatmeal, barley, brown rice, and whole wheat bread and pasta. 7. Turmeric has the potential to reduce cancer risk. This orange-colored spice, which is a common component in Indian curries, includes a compound called curcumin, not to be confused with cumin, which may help to lower cancer risk. Curcumin has been shown in laboratory experiments to suppress some cancer cells and to halt the spread of cancer or reduce tumors in some animals, according to the American Cancer Society. This cancer-fighting food is easy to come by in grocery stores, and you can incorporate it into a variety of anti-cancer recipes. 8. Include leafy green vegetables in your cancer prevention diet. The antioxidants beta-carotene and lutein are abundant in leafy green foods such as spinach and lettuce. These nutrients can also be found in vegetables that are customarily cooked, such as collard greens, mustard greens, and kale. 9. Grapes help to prevent the onset and spread of cancer. The antioxidant resveratrol is particularly abundant in the skin of red grapes. This antioxidant can also be found in grape juice and red wine. Resveratrol, according to the National Cancer Institute, may help prevent cancer from starting or spreading. It has been discovered in lab experiments that it inhibits the development of a variety of cancer cells. 10. Cancer-fighting beans could help you live longer. Beans are sometimes overlooked as a rich source of antioxidants, despite the fact that they are abundant in fruits, vegetables, and other plant foods. Some beans, especially pinto and red kidney beans, are high in antioxidants and should be part of your anti-cancer diet. Beans also include fiber, which, according to the American Cancer Society, may help lower your cancer risk. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for new videos.